What have the kids been doing today?
Today we've been clearing up the area. We're getting it prepared to build a nature walk and a nature site down here in this area, which will include paths and bird boxes, bat boxes, and so people can use it for, for years and years to come, and hopefully these children can bring their children and grandchildren.
We are making a nature path through the disused part of Diggle at the bottom, where there's lots of fly tipping and Himalayan balsam that prevents other plants from going. So we're going to try and regenerate the area and make it much better.
I've learnt all about moths and what happens when you get the balsams away and the flowers go up. So I've learnt quite a lot.
Do you think young people don't get enough idea about what's going on? Do you think
No, we don't, but something like this really does help young people to learn about the environment.
We are going to show you what balsam is and why we pick it and what we do with it. Because balsam is an invasive species, we have to check that it's balsam first, and we have to pull it up to make sure that it doesn't spread, and so there's enough room for other plants. Basically what we do is we check that it's balsam, and then we'll go down to the root of the plant and then we'll pull it up, and in a clear area like the path, we'll stamp on the roots to make sure it's dead. So you pull it up by the root and we take it into the middle of the path to make sure it doesn't spread on the other side of the path. You put it down and then stamp on it. Yeah, it was really fun. We got to learn a lot of things about the environment and things.
How about you, Phoebe? What did you get from it?
I really enjoyed it because I like learning all of the stuff about balsam and about different animals and different types of moss, and basically just stuff about the environment.
That's it, that's the way. You got it.
I think it's about a sense of belonging. Everybody has a part to play in the community. And I think that the young people have come out here, they might have walked past things or just walked along here, but now we've actually stopped, we've looked at things, we've looked at the impact of, dropping litter, of things like CO2 gases and up into the, up into the ozone and things like that, and mosses, and they're learning what's around them. We've cleaned up public areas, and we've had, the thanks that they get, and it's a very, very strong message when the young people come out here and show that they're taking care and they really care about their environment and the place that they live. The local chip shop has even donated free food for them and drinks and free ice creams and things like that. So it just shows that they are appreciated, and it's a very, very strong message that young people are sending out to the community.
I don't think children know enough about the environment, because I didn't think it was going to be this bad when we came here on the first day. It was just full of litter, and it took us a while to clear up because I just don't think people know what really is going on, and they just think maybe, oh, it's just a bit of litter, but it's causing problems for the world and stuff.
Yes, because they don't really get the opportunity to learn about the environment, but with these projects they do, and it really helps benefit them and the environment, because they can learn how to protect it.
If you had a chance, would you like to carry on doing more work like this?
Yeah, I would love to. I really want to carry on doing it next year and all through school.
And how about you? You like to do more?
Yeah, I'd love to do it. I've just found it a really good experience, and it's been something I've really enjoyed doing every Thursday.
How do you think you can get other young people aware of what's going on? How do you make them aware?
We could maybe start making more lessons in school, more outdoor lessons, like how to picking up litter and weeding and things. I think that we should do more things like this with people, bring them out and help them to clear up litter and to do the things that we've been doing.
There is a real need for young people to be getting out there, to find out what's out there, to find out what's in, out there in the environment where they live and in the vicinity. There are also the opportunity to, if they do not live out in the countryside like here, like in a place like Diggle, to take that home. So they could go home to the gardens, they could build a bird box, they could build a bug house, and they can monitor it and look at it and actually find some sort of enjoyment out of helping nature while learning at the same time, and be able to pass that on to other people.
They don't have enough awareness of the environment, because like if you think about it, some teenagers smoke that causes the environment damage, but they don't know that they're doing it to the environment as well as themselves. They should deserve to know more about the environment and how to prevent stuff from happening, not just in the big world but in their small part of their world. Basically, they need to, if they can't change the whole world, then they can change their world.
Yeah!